So we're here at the Lemons across from the Peninsula Carson-Coffee vault during Carweek. The fire coming out was pretty cool. You know, the Lemons is like all about quirkiness and uniqueness.
We're up at their place. No, it's not.
If it's here, then yeah. I think she has some. You did it!
You can stop by Sorbent and Porta Potty Habitat for Humanity Monterey Bay, and you can arrange with them to donate. Possibly that might work. But if you are dumb enough to keep your car, you say, "Hey, I got to drive it home, but I need insurance." You can talk to the fine folks at Carweek. Yeah, and judging too. Yes, we should. Thank you.
I'm gonna go to that ATM. Guys? Oh, this is mine? Oh, this is Paul? I don't want to mess it up. This is my 1996 Honda Acti. I started out doing coffee on my 1983 Mazda Porter cab. The second generation from Japan, their little K-truck.
It's unique.
I love it. Thank you.
This Volkswagen was sliced in half to give the illusion that it was slimmer/small.
Driving looks like you're. Yeah, because this thing I would imagine is not very light.
What I found interesting about this event was that you were able to bribe the judges in order to win. I thought that was really interesting. As some of you may have seen the little candy baskets, the pizza making, that's all for the judges to bribe them.